Hi you guys, welcome to my channel again. We are doing tags. I'm using my sublimation printed strips. I cut them into strips to match the ribbon I'm using. I have them already cut so you don't have to watch me cut them. I have half of my strips already on my platen. Eve's trying to take off of my ribbon there. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So what I do is I lay down the ribbon onto the platen. I tape it down to the butcher paper with the sublimation paper strip turned facing down. I'm using my what's it called? My tape dispenser. It holds 3. I'm not sure if it has a special name, but it holds 3 tape rolls on it. It's really cool. It cuts at 1.5 inch strips, which is really handy. If you don't have one, you need to get one. I will put the link in the description. Is really nice. I'm pretty pleased with it. This is the first time using it, and I'm already so happy. I spent, I think it was like around $20, if that, $20 or $23. It was well worth buying it. And I'm using the clear heat tape, which I will put down in the description also. That's off Amazon also. So. And I'm just loading up the platen. I just try to put it on as good as I can. These are on satin ribbon. I don't remember if I told you. 1 inch satin ribbon, 1 inch wide. Got the ribbon off Amazon too. If I remember, I will put that in the description also. I'll be using these tags for my in the hoop pouches or purses. I love doing in the hoop projects. I enjoy doing a lot of embroidery on towels. I am very addicted to doing towels. Ask anybody in Discord, they will tell you. And my family, everybody's getting embroidered towels as of right now. Also, what else do I put it on? I put on scrunchies. I've made some scrunchies. I haven't made them much yet, but I plan to soon. And I want to do my own custom sublimated scrunchies. That will be coming down the road. I have a lot of plans to do with my embroidery, sublimation, sewing. I just need time to do it all. I had to go around the camera, grab my last strip of ribbon cut, and I pulled the butcher paper down to get to the very end of the platen. I'll find out in a little bit soon that I should have not put as much on my press as I did, but hey, lessons learned. I am new at this. I am just starting. So taping that last one down. Giving you a signal, I like my tape dispenser. And it turned out to be a really nice tape dispenser. It cuts like 3 strips at one time for 1.5 inches. Okay, so I slide it back up there, trying to make sure that it stays on the platen. And then cover it with another piece of butcher paper. Make sure it covers everything. Definitely do not want to destroy my Teflon sheets. He was singing in the background. So I'm pressing it at 350, and I was thinking 30 seconds. I was worried that the ribbon would burn.
Mama! Mama!
Yes, hello. That's all right. Sorry, you guys. She's excited. I really wanted to get my recording done of this so I could get it out to you guys. All right, so here I'm peeking to see if I ended up if it was long enough. I'm like, no, probably a little longer. Good thing is everything's taped down like really good. So we are pressing it again for I think about another 30 seconds. You wouldn't want to do that if you didn't tape things down, but you definitely tape things down when you sublimate.
Yeah.
I'm getting climbed on.
Mommy.
All right. I'm like, oh, might want to get more tape just in case cut because it's fun to cut the tape.
Mommy.
Yes, Eve. I don't know what you're talking about, but you're a goofy girl. Oh, and here we go. Let's see. So, I think it went a little over 30 seconds more right here. So, it's around 60 seconds. I open it up. It's like, oh, well, that's a bummer because that's kind of faded still. But it's at the edge of the platen. So I peek at that one. I'm like, ooh, look at that. That looks nice. All right, cool. So we're going to take it apart. When they're faded, it's fine. I'll just put them on something else. Like maybe I'll put them on scrunchies or something. It's not a very big deal. Like for bags and stuff. Nah, I'll put the nice, crisper looking ones on bags. I'll just show them to you guys. Don't put it as close to the edge as to the platens as I did. I don't think it got as much pressure as it should have. I don't know if it's hot. It's hot right there. I definitely am not going to touch it to find out because this heat press gets extremely hot. Now that turned out nice. The camera don't pick it up, but it's really a nice black. That one isn't as good as the very middle ones. The very middle ones are nice dark print. So lessons learned, don't fill up your platen full for little pieces like this if you don't have to. I do have a 15 by 15, so I thought, oh heck, I'll just put the whole thing on there. Yet don't do that maybe you shouldn't. Or I'm thinking maybe next time I'll tape my strips to my paper instead of cutting the strips. I believe I left enough room. We'll see. This is an experiment. You never know. I think I had to get off the kids right there for a minute, so I had to leave it. Then turned it. Oh, now I'm going to show you how to cut it. And my scissors are horrible. Use better scissors than I did, you guys. It doesn't cut satin ribbon very good, but I just wanted to show you what to do. And I take my lighter, hit it with the edges real fast. Don't do it too much. You can burn up your whole ribbon and your fingertips.
Mom.
Yes, Ev. Yes, there's a dinosaur on there. She's watching Ryan World. So I'm folding it to show you how I attach it. I do this with my scrunchies and within the hoop pouches. When I attach them to my chair, the chair squeaking. When I attach it to the towels, I cut them in half because there's really no reason to have huge tags on a towel. I just want them to know where they got them from. There you go. So I'm showing you, this one came out a little more even, but still not very even. But when you take your time and cut them even, they fold nice and their ends end up being really close and nice. So there we go. See? There. And that's where you would sew it. Isn't that pretty cool? I'm pretty happy with them. I mean, they're not exactly perfect. But first time around doing this with my sublimation, I used my Epson WF7210 to print these. So it has, and I use HIIPOO sublimation ink and sublimation paper. So I'm pretty happy with them. I wish the camera would give them more justice because they look so much nicer in person. I don't remember if I get a better close-up picture or not. But I'm pretty happy with them. I got 9 strips of ribbon. So I'm going to try to show you the difference with the darker ones and the lighter ones. That one's darker. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Evie's a goofy girl. Well, there you guys go. Tags, cloth tags to put on soft fabrics. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.